SAP HANA Rules Framework provides rule templates to simplify the creation of and ease the maintenance of business rules. A rule template is a reusable object that can contain predefined attributes. These attributes will be inherited by every rule that references the template. An application developer can create one or a set of rule templates, each one containing user-defined attributes relevant to a particular application or business process. When a rule is created against a rule template, all attributes that belong to that template are automatically assigned to the rule. I will open an example rule template in a text editor in SAP HANA Studio. Please note that currently no dedicated user interface exists to help build and maintain rule templates. However, this is not a great disadvantage as they are easy objects to work with. You can see here that this rule template consists of a description, a default vocabulary reference, a condition, and 3 user-defined attributes. The optional default vocabulary property specifies a vocabulary for the rule determination to use if the rule itself does not reference its own vocabulary. The condition property contains a fixed rule expression language condition that acts upon attributes that have been created in the template. The rule template condition can be considered as a precondition to the condition held in the rule body. At runtime, any rule that belongs to this rule template has to satisfy the template precondition criteria, otherwise determination of the rule will not take place. The expression in this particular example ensures that a rule will only be determined as long as the runtime date for today is between the 2 attribute dates from date and to date, and also as long as the rule condition itself evaluates to true. The third attribute subject area has been defined in the rule template, but it is not used as part of the template's condition. I will call the rule service editor in the SAP HRF web UI to show you that the condition associated with this attribute is held by the relevant rule service. I've opened the rule service product offers so that you can better understand how the third rule template attribute is used. The rule group property of the rule service specifies that the value supplied to the subject area attribute of rule template banking offers must equal the word investment. As discussed in a previous lesson on rule services, the rule group property defining this condition must be prefixed with the keyword rule. Now we can create a new rule that refers to our rule template and attributes. I can click on the plus icon to create a new rule. This icon provides a drop-down list of the available rule templates on this system. If I wanted to create a very generic rule with no attributes, I can select the option Basic Rule. This will create a rule with no reference to a rule template. However, in order to show you the use of the rule template I have been describing, I will select the rule template banking offers. You can immediately see that the rule has the standard name, description and vocabulary fields, followed by the additional rule template attributes we discussed earlier. I will provide the rule with the name Investment Opportunities. The vocabulary displayed here is preset to the default vocabulary specified by my rule template. If I wanted to, I could supersede the default if I wished. Now I've completed the standard rule options, I can move on to populating the attributes. I will select a from date and a to date from the calendar component, making sure that the current date falls between them. I will insert the word investment into the subject area field. This word matches the rule group condition in the rule service. I now want to add a rule condition. For this, I will target my investment offer at unmarried customers with a high credit rating. The output investment offer will provide my rule determination with some contextual results. This output corresponds with the output chosen within my rule service and provides details of my offer. I can enter an offer name and specify a minimum investment of 5% of salary. This rule has been assigned to the rule service product offers. If I test the rule service, it returns two result records, one for James Doherty and the other for John Gooding. These are both single customers with a credit rating of 4 or higher. Now I want to edit the rule and test the parameters I supplied. If I change the subject area to loan and activate, you can see that the rule is no longer assigned to a rule service. This is because the product offers rule service is restricted to only those rules that have a subject area of investment. I will now change the subject area back to how it was before, but this time alter the date parameters range so that it no longer includes today's date. You can see that the rule is once again assigned to my rule service product offers. However, this time when I test the rule service, the rule determination engine returns no results. In this instance, it is only at runtime that HRF can check the condition statement held in the rule template, and now evaluates that the date range parameters supplied are not valid for the current date. Thank you for viewing this lesson. I hope it has been useful to you. Please look out for any further lessons we have planned for this series.